Greetings all and welcome to AlgoFox Academy. In the last lesson, we discussed about option writing in detail. We also saw the differences between option buying and option writing. In today's video, I am going to take you to my demat account and we are going to do option writing trades in detail. Also, I am going to show you the advantages of doing option writing. So let's head to my trading account and let's take trades live. So this is my Trade Genie demat account, and in this demat account I have close to 21 lakh rupees, and I just want to show you how I trade in option writing and how exactly option writing is done. So if I go to my positions, I have taken few positions. Right now I've just booked a profit of 3,300 in Siemens. That was also in the form of option writing. Currently I also have Jindal Steel 600 call short. The quantity is minus 2,500. So minus indicates that I've sold this option first. That means I've sold this call first and I'm expecting the market to go down. Let us look at what exactly is the price of Jindal Steel right now. Jindal Steel right now is at 562.85 paisa. Now you see, the advantage of doing option writing is that I am secure until and unless Jindal Steel reaches 600. So if Jindal Steel stays below 600 by December end, this trade that I have taken will give me a good profit. But if Jindal Steel goes above 600, yes, it can give me unlimited losses. But probability of a stock going up by around 10% from this point is a little lesser. So option writing gives me an edge. Now similarly, I've also taken few trades in equity. I have Nykaa, Paytm, Adani and Gland trade, which are giving, some of them are giving me profit, some of them are giving me loss. But these are all equity trades and we will not focus on them. We'll focus on how to take a trade in options. Now to take a trade in option, I'll again select some random stock, let us say maybe Bank of Baroda. Now Bank of Baroda right now is at 186, and let me just look at the chart. Now what I'm doing right now is called as technical analysis. We are going to talk about technical analysis in our upcoming series, but right now let us say this is the chart of Bank of Baroda. And let us say from all the means, Bank of Baroda looks highly bullish. It has gone all the way from 90 all the way till 180. And if let us say I feel that it will not reach 200 by this month end, I can simply short 200 call. To do that, I'll simply select Bank Baroda space 200 and select December call. Right now December call is at 1 rupee 95 paisa premium. Now if I click on buy, you see the margin needed to buy this is 11,437 because lot size is 5,850. So 5850 into 1.95 becomes 11437.65. But if I want to sell and if I select the margin, you see instead of 11,000 we need total margin, that is approximately 2 lakh rupees. Now since I already have 2 lakh rupees in my account, I can simply click on sell, and the moment I click on sell order is open. Right now the price is 1.95, but if I go to market depth, buyer wants to buy at 1.90 and seller wants to sell it at 1.95. When buyer will agree to buy, the trade will be completed. I think the trade is already completed and our sell order is executed at 1.95. Now if I go to the position section here, you will see Bank of Baroda minus 5850. Minus again indicates that I've sold, and I've sold at 1.95. Currently it is at 1.90 and Bank of Baroda is giving me profits. Now Bank of Baroda's current market price is 186.70. If Bank of Baroda goes down from here, I'll make profits. If Bank of Baroda stays flat at around 186 levels, because of premium decay, it will still give me profits. If Bank of Baroda goes up but does not reach 200 by expiry, I'll still make profits. Only and only if Bank of Baroda goes above 200, I can have significant losses. So since there's good winning edge in option writing, that is the reason a lot of traders with good capital prefer option writing over option buying. So those who have only 2 to 5 lakh rupees in their account might get tempted to do option buying, but since as I've shown you, I have around 25 lakh rupees in this account, so it's better for me to do option writing. Small reward and calculated risk, and we can consistently make money. You can see that I've sold it at 1.95 and it is already giving me a profit of close to 585 rupees. In no time, if it gives a profit of around 1000 rupees, I can even book it right now live and then again start finding a different trade. So this is how option writing is done. Also, just to show you the win rate of option writing, let me just go to my back office report. So this is my back office report of Trade Genie. I'll simply go to reports here. In the reports, I'll go to PNL report. In the PNL report, I'll go to FNO. It's just around 1 month since I'm trading in this new trading account of Trade Genie. And if I click on submit, you see this is the average profit that I've made in last 1 month or so. We have made close to 56,000 rupees, in which the charges were around, all the brokerage and other charges were close to 2,600, and total we have made 53,420. Now if you see the trade reports, everything is in green, because as I said, win rate is extremely high. And we had India Bulls Housing Finance, which is open, and I think I've also booked 7,000 rupees loss in a particular script, that is Pi India. So I've just booked one loss in last 1.5 month or so, and overall I was able to make a profit of around 56,000 rupees. So the reason I'm showing you this is just to show you the win probability of an option seller. All the trades that I've shown you were all option selling. That means I've sold them first and then later I've bought at a lower price. Just like setting targets and stop loss in option buying or in stocks or in futures, you can do the same in option writing also. For example, I've sold Bank of Baroda right now at 1.95, and let us say if I want to just book 1000 rupees profit, I think 1000 rupees profit would be achieved if the premium goes to 1.75. So I can set a target. Just simply click on this 3 dots, click on exit and click on limit, and here select price 1.75 and click on buy. So now whenever Bank of Baroda will fall down, the call will also go down from 1.95 to 1.75, and if it comes to 1.75, my order will be executed and a profit of around 1000 rupees will be booked for me. So this way we can trade in option writing. Not only in stock options, you can trade using option writing in index options also. Right now I'm not finding any trade in index option, so I will not go for it. But right now I've just had 3 trades, that is Jindal, Bank of Baroda and Siemens. Siemens we made a profit of around 3,000. Jindal is still open and I'm waiting for Jindal to fall down a little bit more, and Bank of Baroda I've just taken right in front of you and have kept a target of 1,000 rupees. So this was a brief introduction to option writing. In our next class, we are going to talk about combination of option buying and selling and how they can be used to make money in different types of market conditions. So see you in the next lesson.